Hi, how are you today? Let's cook macaroni with chicken breast. Ingredients are written in description box. These are the ingredients we need. Let's marinate the chicken with salt and pepper. Mix them well and leave it a while. Okay, let's start. In a pan, put oil. Then put the onion. Put little salt, then fry till golden brown. Put the garlic. Now, put the chicken. Now put the spices and mix well. Put the tomato paste. Mix well. Put the pasta sauce. Now put the vegetable. Put any cubes you have. Now add water. Cover till the vegetables are. In another pan, prepare water to cook the macaroni. Add oil and salt. Now put the macaroni. Cook till done. When it's done, remove the water. Our chicken is cooked and ready. Now put the macaroni on it. Mix it well and off the fire. Now, yummy. Now let's eat. Please subscribe and join. Thank you for watching.